What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you step by step in this guide how to apply for Zable credit card. Go to the Zable official website. Friends, you see this option, apply a credit card. Click this one and then you will see this window or this page. From here, write your first name, friends, and write your last name. From here, write your email address and write your mobile numbers and choose your birthday date. For example, this is the postcard, your address, this postcodes and row number and street and district. Write all this information and write your income from here, monthly tax, yearly before tax. Choose just one. From here, declare your input your income here, for example 1,000 pound, and this is mean earn this one each month before tax, and write all information about your financials. And then guys, all you have to do, click continue and write your this, for example, just like example, and click continue, and then you will apply it successfully with your credit card. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon.